very cold wind chills expected. Wind chills as low as 25 below zero. The areas affected include portions of central, east central, north central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana. The hazardous conditions are expected from 7 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Eastern Standard Time Sunday. The following impacts are expected. The cold wind chills could cause frostbite on exposed skin in as little as 30 minutes. While traveling outside, wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. And now a look at your forecast for Indianapolis and Central.
It's snowing outside right now with blowing winds. Yeah, it's getting pretty crazy outside. This is accumulating snow, enough for me to pull the snowman. However, look, if you don't know, these chairs got flipped over by the wind today. So still stay aware about that. No traveling. And if you're going outside in central Indiana, wear gloves and a hat at least. So have a good night. This recorded at 2 a.m., so I'm like literally tired.